line up behind the 10.
Behind the 10?
You'll be behind the 10.
She's on a lead lap? Oh my gosh, alright.
Tell you what, this Nora runs like Fido's ass.
I thought it was going to be an early ending. Honestly, they're just totally undrivable. Parking pretty good there. Just be ready if it catches on fire. We can only hope. This is just absolutely ridiculous right now. I might as well race my rental car. Put a freaking cone out there that you could actually see. It would help a little bit. Freaking pastel pink box painted on a white-gray racetrack. That's unbelievable. They bring the whole field down pit road to look at fucked up. They should start calling timeouts in football games and check everybody's shoelaces. Stand right next to Lambert on this restart and hit him in the arm with a boat or something when I tell you. That'll be his cue, okay?
10-4. I got him by the skin on his neck. I told him when it hurts to tell him to go.
That was a favor. I get submitted for it. That's the whole tournament's thing. For all the dumb people listening, that was a joke. And 22 chopped right across me. Tell that 22 I'm going to knock his ass out after the race. You tell him. Tell him to hide behind his daddy. Came from the third lane. I don't even think he was going to pit, turn right down in front of me and brake check me. Jumped over the fence. Goes running down, jumps over the brake fence, slides in the right side window of my car and hands me a hat and a Sharpie and says, will you sign this? I'm like, I'm a little busy right now, buddy. He's like, come on, man, that's the balls. And I'm like, come on, I'm a little busy. Tell you something, that 21 is a freaking moron and needs to get punched in the head. This is freaking embarrassing. I don't have any idea how we got it this bad. Holy How many laps till next hot dog break? Sorry, I thought that was lap 15. I was just being lazy there. Next guy that wants to run me out of the groove is just going to get it. Starts with 18. Ran me right up in on purpose. Lost 4 spots. She moved that duck out of the way here. Where's that leader? How much faster is he running than me, Roman? Just ran a 30-45, 31-45, I hope you mean. No sir, 30-45. That's pretty much undrivable right now. Tell that 19 is in his best interest to get the hell out of the way. I get there, I'm punching him immediately. I just looked at the big screen and coach looks nervous. That makes me nervous. If you find the 24 spotter, just tell him I'm an idiot, which I'm sure Jeff already realizes that. He waved me by, let me go, and I don't know what the heck I did. I went in and just slammed him in the door when he was just pulling over, letting me go. They just called the 75 car, just call him the 18 all night, okay?
10-4. Will do.
Thinking Rick Mass made a comeback.
Yeah, no kid.
Love the kid, but I've had enough of his crap after wrecking me out last week. Better be clear if he wants in there.
With you 100%.
He about spun me out, damn! I would not suggest him running me in the wall again.
Kenseth on the outside.
Kenseth doing a good job of it. He gets nailed.
Around goes the 20. The 41 has damage.
Oh, we just got spun right here. You all right, buddy?
Yeah, I think the 2 just dumped me. That happened crazy. The 2 just spin me out.
That's what it appeared.
Oh yeah, for sure. 100% confident that's exactly what he did, because he's a moron.
Brad said that when y'all touched over there in 2 before the contact where he spun you, it broke the right front tie rod, and that's how it got into you.
Yeah, right. Barely touched. He went in there and just freaking annihilated me. Is 18 throwing his hand up at me? Oh, he's waving at me, swerving at me. I don't have any idea, to be honest with you.
I don't know. Won't worry about it.
What the hell is the 10 car doing? What a derelict. I tried to fit from the second lane. What in the hell?
The 2 just wrecked me and I have no seatbelts on. He wrecked 11, then he just came up and wrecked me with no belts on.
4 needs to make sure he's clear before he does that crap.
Trevor apologized for having to run you that hard.
That's no problem. It's his job.
Trying to figure out why he's swerving at me and flipping me off.
That's just normal, AJ.
But I'm not throwing a caution, freaking rotor parts and crap everywhere. It's all about not throwing debris cautions, fake ones, but that's a real one. Holy crap. This thing a piece of crap.
We're going to go a different direction here.
Be mad or something, or something else going on?
Jimmy said he didn't feel like you gave him enough room off of 3.
No, we're only getting some glasses.
Keep losing, God, shitloads of water, and I don't know why. Can you hear me now? Yeah, I can hear you, man. Well, fuck, I've been talking to you guys for 15 laps. Hear you every once in a while there, but it chops up. I need water immediately.
Get your water. The radio wasn't working all this time.
Oh shit, I realize that. I need water. I'm out of water. You need water. There's something wrong with the system. Sorry, buddy. I'm just pushing like a dump truck all over the splitter. Doing the best I can, man.
I'm not going to work on it anymore. I'm just going to put tires on the thing. The more I work on it, the worse she gets.
I don't know if I'd do that. I can't keep working out.
All right, bud, we got a pit road speeding penalty.
Oh, what a disaster. I followed cars all the way out. That's what I don't understand. Where am I supposed to line up?
All the way to the back, bud. All the way to the back.
We gotta get our together here. Try not to be that guy, but man, just can't lose every time here.
Watch us out debris. High in 3.
You gotta be kidding me. I'm trying to do the right thing, because that could be a lot of options.
If anything's ever been his fault.
Not sure.
Don't get offended and don't raise your voice at me. Just deep breath. A deep breath and pay a little more attention here. You're really, really late on your calls. You called me 2 wide, now it's 3 wide.
All right, we got to make a pass through here. We got a pit road penalty. We're 2 down.
I think they put the black flag in the score lap.
Are you serious? I'm gonna blow a gasket and weird black flag for 5 laps and nobody knew enough to tell me to pit.
Well, we didn't take the pit because we were already in the case.
That's fine, Jason, but when you get the black and white flag, they don't score you anymore until you come down pit road.
Man, I can't see the black and white flag when I'm down behind the pit box arguing the case.
Sure, somebody's got to tell me I'm getting black flag. How the hell am I supposed to know? Holy crap, we're going to win at Pocono? Good job, buddy. Yes! Never in my life did I think we win at fuel mileage rates. This NASCAR doing, holy crap. There's oil all over the place.
They're trying to get the corner workers to make the call.
Can retire as well? Yeah, pretty much like Russian roulette. It's too bad we told them that 2 weeks ago and it comes down to that.
I have no idea what you did this thing. It is so fricked up I can't even drive it. The car has officially lost any control of this racing that they had.
This is the stupidest thing I've ever seen.
Watch this. The 2 just brake checked the 20 right there.
Dude just wrecked 3 of us back there, just so you know. Freaking 4 laps down when we wrecked. You me.
Fuel and left sides right here. 4. Give me 4. I'm sorry. No. Dang it. Go ahead.
Put tires, go, put tires.
Oh, God. Back him up.
Gosh dang it. I think that was about 12 spots.
Nobody was coming. I needed to put 4 on it. Sorry, guys.
I had no idea, Jason. No clue. I don't know if I had a flat or what. The back end is totally gone. Somebody hit me at about 190.
Wow, man. I guess your right front went down there. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I just blew right front or something. You might want to get a few people around you. You might think I did that on purpose. What did you think was going to happen? Man.
Yeah. Paying the price.
He's been here. You drive away. Where do we finish, Jimmy?
18th.
Gotta be me. 21 tried to save me, but then, I don't know, I got hooked to him down the back. Could have done it if I could have tuned into him, but a freaking radio went dead, so I guess we need 2 of them next time.
There's oil on the apron all the way around from the 98 car.
Wow, a lot of it. You know, I didn't know that wreck was happening.
I was late telling you. Pit. 7 guys only. 6 guys. Watch the red flag here, Jason. Hey, you can't have more than 6 guys, okay? You can't have more than 6. The red flag is out. Stop, Matt. Stop. Yeah, they're reviewing something here.
What's the penalty for that?
We're done.
Done? Somebody's got to tell me what in the hell is going on.
7 guys over the wall.
So you're telling me we sent 1 too many guys off, so we're going to not have a chance to race for a championship because of that?
Nope. I'm telling you, I sent 6 over and somebody can't count. Yeah, baby! Woo!
Guys, you guys are going to see the biggest grind baby you've ever seen.
3 just wrecked us. I missed him. What did he do?
43 just ran out of talent, ran him up the hill, spun us up.